Welcome to the 9th Annual College of Tropical Agriculture and Human Resources Agriculture and Environmental Awareness Day. Agriculture and Environmental Awareness Day is where we have a whole bunch of organizations, state, federal, nonprofit. They come, we have over 10 presenters, we have over 13 exhibitors, and they're all coming here to provide agriculture and environmental awareness for students in Hawaii.
So a challenge that farmers face is things like bugs, insect pests. How about a big round of applause for our corn stalk and our corn farmer? Excellent work.
This is such a great event that CTAR sponsors for the school kids of Hawaii. You know, this is a great event because it's important to get to the message to the kids. What kind of Hawaii do you imagine 20, 30 years from now? Because at that age, they'll be producing families of their own. They'll be the real decision makers in the state of Hawaii. So it's important for them to think about starting now.
I got to see how invasive species have hurt our wildlife here in Hawaii. And I've got to learn other things like how the coconut rhinoceros beetle has endangered our coconut trees and how we can prevent it. It's important because if we didn't learn about this, we kids would be just not considerate about things that might hurt the earth and what invasive species might take over our land.
This event is also important because I hope it opens our youngsters' eyes as to possible careers in agriculture, not just as farmers, but as marketers, as scientists, as people who help export these crops to other states and other countries. So there are endless careers, and there are probably careers that we haven't even thought about that they'll create for themselves.